Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see the top 5 books to read if you are a beginner in reading. Reading books will give you the knowledge. It will improve your imagination. It will improve your focusing ability. And reading books has many benefits. So that develop the reading habit. Without any delay we get into the video. In number 5, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. In this book, a lawyer named Julian Mantle sells all his material things after living an unsatisfied life and became a monk in the search of peace. After reading this book you will gain a spiritual knowledge that is shared by Robin Sharma. In number 4, the book is Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. The book Alchemist tells the journey of an Andalusian shepherd boy named Santiago. Believing a recurring dream to be prophetic, he asks a gypsy fortune teller in the nearby town about its meaning. The woman interprets the dream as a prophecy telling the boy that he will discover a treasure at the Egyptian pyramids. The idea that all individuals should live in the singular pursuit of their individual dreams emerges as the primary theme of The Alchemist. In number 3, the book is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. In this book, the author has two dads, one is poor dad that is his own dad and another one is rich dad that is his friend's dad. And the ways in which both men shaped his thoughts about money and investing. It advocates the importance of financial education, financial independence and building wealth through investing in assets, real estate investing, starting and owning businesses, as well as increasing one's financial intelligence. This book is the starting point to gain financial literacy. In number 2, the book is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. The main theme of the book is to develop a good human relationship. Some of the important lessons of the book is: Number 1, avoid arguments. Number 2, genuinely appreciate others. Number 3, be a good listener. And this book is one of the classic book. And this book is recommended by many people. And finally number 1 is Atomic Habits by James Clear. Atomic Habits offers a proven framework for improving every day. James Clear, one of the world's leading experts on habit formation, reveals practical strategies that will teach you exactly how to form good habits, break bad ones, and master the tiny behaviors that lead to remarkable results. It is the easy-to-read book. That's all for today's video. Make sure you like this video. And finally hit that subscribe button. Thank you.